This is a low power transmit test on the Baofeng UV-5R Mini. Let's see what it does. On 2 meters, transmitting on 146.52 megahertz. On low power, this radio transmits at 2.89 watts. Testing 440 or 70 centimeters. Here we go. On low power, this radio transmits 2.98 watts on low power. That is a good test for this tiny radio. I've got a full review of this radio, the UV-5R Mini from Baofeng, so be sure to check it out. I'm Kevin, and this is Comms by Kemp Outside. We're your inside source for outdoor comms.